Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to do a smoky eye using all of my favorites from Sephora. So if you guys are interested, make sure you guys keep on watching. So first we're gonna start off with primer. I'm using the Bobbi Brown primer. Y'all, this thing is so moisturizing. I love everything about it. Like, it makes my makeup look absolutely flawless. If you guys haven't already added this for the Sephora sale, I need y'all to do so ASAP. All right, so for brows, I am using Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil in the color 3.5. I really like this pencil. It just mimics my eyebrow hair so well. I wish that I gotten a better color to match my eyebrows. This one's a little bit gray, but it works. And this, I'm using the Sephora Collection Concealer. It is so creamy and it works for a full face and just a beautiful natural beat. Once again, all of these things that I'm recommending, I need y'all to add it to your cart for the Sephora sale that's happening this week. Okay, so we're gonna use my favorite thing. Y'all, I love this. This is the Danessa Myricks Groundworks palette. Y'all, I don't think you guys understand how much I'm in love with this palette. It literally does everything. I use it for my eyes. It's great for underpainting. It's great for lips, all of that. But before, I'm just going to prime my lips with the same concealer that I use for my brows. This is a Sephora Collection concealer, and it's amazing. And I believe I use the color, it's a light orangey color to kind of set my concealer. Y'all, I'm telling you, if you don't add anything else to your Sephora cart, add this. There you go. I'm showing you guys the color that I'm using. It is so good. I cannot rave about this Groundworks palette. Please, please get it, okay? I will not steer y'all wrong. For foundation, I'm using Estee Lauder's foundation. This is, I want to say, my summer shade, but you know, it still works. I am the color Rich Java 8C1. Y'all, look at this color match. Stunning. Absolutely love this foundation. Sephora did their big one with this. Estee Lauder did her big one with this because I love this foundation. It doesn't feel cakey. It works for a light beat. It works for a full beat. I normally use this for my full beats, but I love this foundation from Estee Lauder. It's their double wear stay in place makeup foundation. So to kind of bronzer, I'm using Tower 28's Sculptino in the shade Simon. I really like this because it does what it needs to do. Like, it gives you that snatched look, but it also doesn't make it too harsh, and it bronzes up your face so well. I love cream products, and this is definitely one of my top favorite bronzers slash contours from Sephora. All right, y'all. So for blush, I'm using once again Miss Danessa Myricks. I love her blush bombs. That is in the color Dancing Queen. It's this beautiful purpley red maroon color. Y'all, if you are a deep tone girly like me, this is your shade. Look at it. Like, I promise y'all, I'm not steering you guys wrong. This is a beautiful, beautiful shade. It is so pigmented, it's so creamy, and it blends like a dream. Once again, I'm going to be using the Nessa Myrex Groundworks palette to create the smoky eye. I believe I'm going to be using all of the powder, so the sliver parts for my top lid and the creamy parts for like liner and my bottom lash line. And I'm just going to let you guys watch me work, okay? Because this palette did its big one, okay?
Just trying to give you something smoky out to for you. Just trying to give you something. Just trying to give you something smoky out to for you. Just trying to give you something.
For my lashes, I didn't really put on any lashes for this look because I wanted the eye to be the star of the show, but I'm using Benefit Cosmetics Fan Fest Mascara in the color black, I believe. This is such a good mascara, y'all. I was a little bit iffy, but I actually kind of like this. So I think there's better out there, but this is good for what it's worth. So set underneath my eyes, I'm using Huda Beauty Easy Bake in the color Cinnabon. It is okay. It's great for brightening, but I think there's other better setting powders that's more bang for your buck, especially at Sephora. But this is good, especially for brightening. Don't just use it straight out like that. But I wanted a brightening look, so it's great for that.
Smoky out to for you. Just trying to give you something.
For lips, I'm using Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil as a lip liner in the color Rockstar. It's a beautiful purpley color. And then for my lips, I'm going to use Huda Beauty's matte lipstick in Rendezvous. It's a beautiful peachy pink. I love this lip combo. And I know it's kind of um, pale for the fall time, but I think it'll work great for the winter time. It looks so good together.
Trying to give you something. Just trying to give you something smoky out to for you. Just trying to give you something.
And that is it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching this beautiful makeup with all my Sephora favorites. I love y'all. See you in my next video. Bye.